Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Recently, I have made a lot of components using the 3D printer. The thread often make trouble. Sometimes it can be used just after printing. Sometimes it needs modification. Use thread tap. Of course, if you tend to use thread tap afterward, then you don't need to log this video anymore. I want to make threads in print, no further modification. So I dig a little to find what should we do in modeling. Here are the results using Fusion 300 for modeling. Stick around. I will tell you detailed information about how to make a thread and how to modify them to fit your real bursts. Let's start. First, open Fusion 360. Create a sketch for modeling. Create series of circles. The diameters are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 mm, respectively. Add text for information. Then finish sketch. Create a box which includes all of the elements. Set the height of the box to 7 mm. Hide the box so it will not influence your next selection. Select all circles and extrude the circles. Set the distance to 10 mm. Make the box visible again. Check the front view. The all-round circle should be higher than the box. At the Modify tab, find the Combine icon and click it to activate it. In the pop-up menu, select Cut. Select the target body as a box. Select the tool bodies to all circles. Check the Keep Tools checkbox. We will cut the box with round circles and leave the circles as well. Move the circles to next place. Repeat the operation, then you will get the box with a lot of holes inside. Extrude the text to 1 mm and cut them also. So, it will leave the information at the box. Create the thread and select the hole. The thread has a lot of options. Select ISO metric, which is the most commonly used type for screw thread worldwide. good for larger size screws. They can fit them very easy, but a little bit loose. The best place usually at 0.15 mm, which my 3D printer tolerance is about 0.3 mm. Just fit the results, which both sides of 0.15 mm equal to 0.3 mm. The last preciseness test for my printer can reach 0.1 mm in large scale. The rear printed components usually at 0.3 mm on average. Not bad for the price of the printer, which less than 40,000 Japanese yen. If you know the detailed information about your printer, you can make quite precise stuff after some try. I uploaded the STL files as linked below in case you also want to check your printer when you want to use screws. Hope that will give you some help. If you have some idea, please leave your comments. I'm grateful that we can improve later. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the updates. TubeView channel is waiting for you.